Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we have Jolly Phonics. We have a new sound. Are you ready? So, our learning outcomes for today, number one, we are going to identify the sound. Then, we are going to recognize the sound. Number three, we are going to write the sound into 4 lines. Number four, we are going to blend and segment sound to make a word. Okay, my students. Now look at this word. Can you read it for me? Hat. Well done. Hat. So how many sounds in these words? Yes, 3 sounds. Well done. What is the first one? What is the second one? Well done. What is the last one? Excellent. Hat. Okay. Now read the second one. Pan. Okay, how many sounds? 3 sounds. Let's divide it in these colors. Number one, the first one. What is the first sound? P. What is the second one? Excellent. What is the last one? Very good. Now look at this word. Kick. How many sounds? 4? No. 3. Yes. What is the first one? K. What is the second one? I. What is the last one? K. Well done. Kick. So we have 3 sounds. Excellent. Now let's have the new sound. Listen to the story. One day, Rami went to his bedroom. His bedroom had many toys. For example, we have rabbit, rat, horse, car, rope, and here we have rag. Rami saw his puppy dog was rubbing the rag. Rami pulled the rag, but his dog making the sound "rrrr." He pulled the rag with his mouth and he said "rrrr." So what is the sound for today, my students? Yes? "Rrrr." Down, up, little round. What is it? Well done. So we have rabbit, rag, rope, okay, horse, okay, car. Well done. Okay, my students. So the sound, it is what? Look at the action. You have to do like this. With your head, you have to move your head like this girl. Okay. And put your teeth like this and say This is the action for the sound So now listen to the song for the sound Listen.
See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
So here we have the sound well done. Okay. Now how can we write the sound Number 1? No. Number 2, line number 2. Yes, we will start from line number 2. till line number 3. Line number 4, no, don't touch it. Okay, let's see. We will start from this dot, from line number 2, down, okay, and then up, and then little round like this. Again, down, up, round, okay. Can you write for me in your booklet? Good. Now let's read. It's time to read some words. Who wants to read? Can you read this word for me? Ra, rat. Well done. Read the second one. Okay, now read this word. I, rib. Well done. The last one. I. This sound you have not yet take it. I will tell you the sound. The name of this sound is D. Okay, red. Well done, my students. Now let's divide these words into sounds. How many sounds in this word? 3 sounds. Can you read it? Rat. Well done, rat. So what is the first sound? What is the second one? Ah. What is the last one? T. Well done. What is the word again? Rat. Well done. Now read this word. Rib. Well done. How many sounds? 3 sounds. What is the first one? What is the second one? E. What is the last one? P. Rib. Well done, my students. That's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.